We were people on a mission. We really believed in what we had set out to do, which is that we wanted to change lives.
When you really love what you do, you don't really take notice of time. You also have acquired friends, family.
In these 14 years, I've never had one boring day because we've been growing and growing and growing. So this whole growth has basically forced us to kind of stay on the edge and grow with the opportunities.
When you achieve something, even have a small success in the business, that opens up the mind of people to the possibility that it is achievable.
QNET is not your standard company. QNET is a very different, exciting company.
One of, I guess, the best direct selling companies in Asia.
We grow people, we build people.
I'm very, very happy to basically call QNET my home. This is certainly my last trip, and I cannot imagine working for any other company because it's just such an incredible experience.
We just are who we are, and we celebrate that.
So we celebrate diversity, and what happens with something like that is when you're looking forward to discovering more about yourself and about the world, you can do that in one place.
The philosophy really was always rhythm. Okay? Rhythm meaning raise yourself to help mankind. Because of rhythm, we have really seen ourselves as beyond just the business. We have seen ourselves as a company that really can make a difference and should make a difference in any way or in any form.
Respect the products. You must respect the company, because the more respect that you actually give the company and give the products that you're developing and you're developing your marketing materials for, and your campaigns and all of that, it really translates to the customer. They actually feel that there was respect given to a product.
If you like to work with challenges and you want to be more than what you thought you could do, I think QNET always offers this opportunity.
In QNET, we are asked to connect back to when we were kids, when we were dreaming.
What QNET does is just helping people to achieve dreams. It's a vehicle to help them to achieve their dreams.
From external motivation, it becomes internal. So you will tell yourself, if that person can do it, I can do it also.
And so if we really start to believe the truth that we have the ability and we have the potential to really do great, then everything else will follow. Because once that belief is there, the how, the resources, the opportunities, the doors will open because you now believe that you can.
This is our mantra. This is how we would live. This is how we would give service with the heart to our distributors or to our IRs.
If you're considering to join us, it's the best choice you could ever make.